So hey yeah guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we will be studying determiners. So first of all we should know that what is the definition for determiners. So the definition for determiners are it is used before the noun to clarify noun. तो इन हिंदी वी कैन से दैट ये नाउन से पहले लगकर नाउन को क्लैरिफाई करते हैं. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स let me write examples. First of all we will write determiners, the topic determiners. So the examples for determiners are my pen, some students, in this examples pen is a noun and my is a determiner. My clarifies the noun pen, so this is a determiner. Same with this also, some students. Student is a noun and some is determiner. Now let's move ahead and go for the types of determiners. So there are 4 types of determiners. The first type is articles, second demonstrative, third possessive, and fourth quantifiers. So let us write. There are 4 types of determiners, which is the first one is articles. So let us understand articles. Article, demonstrative, possessive, and which is the last one? The last one is quantifiers. So first of all we will move to the articles. So there are 3 type of articles: a, an, and the. And then demonstrative. Demonstrative means in Hindi we can say that physically किसी चीज़ को करना. So the examples for demonstrative are this, that, these, or those. This, that, these, or those. So now we will move ahead and go for the possessive. So examples for possessive are my, your, his, or her. So first of all we will understand that possessive. The meaning for this possessive is this word is made from the word possession. So in Hindi we can say that the meaning of the word possession is malikana hak. So we will now move ahead and go for the quantifiers. So for the examples for quantifiers are some, few, or little. Some, few, or little. And in quantifiers there is one more type. Quantifiers. In this numbers are also included. It is not another type of determiner, but it is the type of quantifier. So we all know that the meaning of number, which is mantra. We can say that in Hindi, mantra. So there are 2 types of numbers: cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Cardinal and ordinal numbers. So first of all we should understand that what will come in cardinal and what will come in ordinal. So in cardinal 1, 2, or 3, these numbers will come in cardinal 1, 2, or 3. And in ordinal, first, second, third, these types of numbers will come in ordinal. So now let's move ahead. We have done all the type of determiners. Now we will just learn briefly about these types. So what I have told, the first type articles. Article. So let's understand about this. A, an, and the. We should take an example for this. So the example for articles are: a boy is walking on the bridge. A boy is walking on the bridge. So in this sentence, as I have told you earlier, that a is a determiner and boy is a noun. The word which clarified noun are called determiners. So boy is a noun and a is a determiner. So now let's move ahead and go for the next type, which is demonstrative. Demonstrative. In this, what will come? This, that, these, those. These all are demonstrative. This, that, these, those. So let us take example. So the example for this is: this pen is mine. This pen is mine. In this sentence, we can see very clearly that this is a determiner and the word pen is a noun. So now let's move ahead and go for the next type. So now the next type is possessive. As I have told you earlier that this word comes from the word possession. So in this possessive, my, your, his or her, our, their, these all words comes in possessive. My, your, his, her, etc. I have told you now. So now the examples for possessive are examples. Her brother is an actor. Her brother is an actor. So we can see that in this sentence, her is a determiner and brother is a noun. So now let us move ahead and go for the last type, which is quantifier. Quantifier. So in this, some, little, few, many, much, any, these all things will come in quantifiers. So let us take some examples for quantifiers, and the examples for quantifiers are: some water is left in my bottle. Some water is left in my bottle. In my bottle. This is the example for quantifier, and I think we should take one more example for quantifier, which is: many students have not come. So in this, students are noun and many are determiner. And in this examples, we can clearly see that some is a determiner and water is a noun. So now I think it's too much for today. By this I end my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment and share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.